Recently, Adam Mosseri, the CEO of Instagram, has announced that they are going to monetize IGTV creators. So in this video, I'm going to share with you step by step how to utilize IGTV and how to include IGTV content into your marketing strategy on Instagram. Let's begin. What's up, social mafia? Welcome to #1 YouTube channel about social media marketing for businesses. In this video, I'm going to share with you step by step how to utilize IGTV, from the technical part to ideas for businesses, how your business can include IGTV into the overall marketing strategy for Instagram. First of all, let's begin with the news that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, that Adam Mosseri announced officially that IGTV creators are going to be monetized. What that means is that Instagram is competing hardly with YouTube, and it's gonna work. The monetization process is gonna work as it works on YouTube. The frequent creators on Instagram who use IGTV will be able to earn money thanks to IGTV content. We don't know yet exactly how these are going to be proceed, but I assume the business model is going to be similar to YouTube. In the IGTV videos, Instagram is going to include ads. And based on that, the creators can get paid for their work. Let's begin with the technical part. What I see that many creators, people who utilize IGTV on Instagram, the main mistake that they do is producing the horizontal format of IGTV. Instagram platform by its origin was designed to consume content vertically, and therefore the videos that are in the horizontal format perform usually less and worse than the videos which are designed for the Instagram platform in the vertical format. Keep in mind that the initial size for IGTV is 9:16, the same size as for Instagram stories, so this is a vertical size. The minimum frame rate for IGTV video is 30 frames per second, and the minimum resolution is 720 pixels. These are some just technical things that you need to keep in mind once you start to produce IGTV videos. IGTV videos should be not less than 15 seconds up to 10 minutes long. However, for some creators, Instagram allows to upload IGTV up to 60 minutes long. Well, who is gonna watch a 60 minutes long video? The maximum size of the video that is about 10 minutes long is 750 megabytes. The file sizes for IGTV that are about 60 minutes long is 3.6 gigabytes. These are some technical part that you need to keep in mind in order to design high quality video for IGTV. And if you're outsourcing the editing process to someone who is producing the video, you need to as well to comply with these technical parts in order to be able to design the video that's gonna convert good on Instagram platform. Let's talk about the editing IGTV. Well, there are two ways to edit IGTV. It's on the computer or on your phone. For the first option, I would consider really the first option if you want to play big on Instagram, and then I would highly recommend you to edit videos for IGTV on desktop and using professional programs such as Final Cut Pro or programs by Adobe. Of course, that requires some experience using these platforms. However, if you're just a beginner, there are tons of tutorials free of charge on YouTube. See some tutorials and learn how to edit the videos using these professional editing video programs. The second option is to edit IGTV right on your smartphone. For this option, I have my favorite app, and it's InShot. This is my favorite app to edit videos. There are really tons of other super cool video editing apps on smartphones, but however, this is my favorite one, and to be honest, I didn't find any other app that would substitute my favorite InShot. Let me show you how to simply edit the video for IGTV or using InShot app. The first thing, we need to open the app itself, and then go to a video, and let me choose one of the videos that I already edited. So once you're on this app, here you have this InShot watermark, and simply by clicking on this little cross button, you can remove this for once. However, you can do it every single time once you edit a video, so you will not have this watermark on your videos. The next thing that I normally do is I go to Canvas and adjust the video to IGTV format, and this is 9:16. We choose that and click OK again. The next thing, if I want to cut the video, you have many options on this app. For example, you can do pre-cut and trim, cut or split the video. For example, if you want to trim the video a certain part from the beginning or from the end, you can cut the video in the middle, and if you want to cut a little part, you can split the video and insert the transition. Alright, so once you cut all the unnecessary shots from your video, you can insert transitions and make your video even more dynamic. For example, clicking this pen button, you can choose many transitions that InShot offers. For some, you need to pay. Some packages are for free. I have almost all transitions possible from InShot, and I have purchased them. They don't cost a lot of money, but for example, we can choose, let's say, the glitch effect. It shows how the transition is going to look. Alright, we click next. The next thing that I normally do is I reduce the volume of the video and insert the music. For example, we are going to choose this shot and we are going to reduce the volume. Let's put it to 0. Alright, and then for example, if you want as well to speed up the video, you can choose the speed button and make the video a little faster or slower. The next thing is adding music. You have this music button and you can choose either the tracks, effects or record. You can even record over your voice if you do a tutorial, or you can use, for example, tracks. InShot offers some free royalty-free music that you can use for your videos. However, you can import some of the music that you want to use for this video. We're gonna skip this for now. You have some filters, but I normally use filters if I want to apply filter for the video, which I normally don't do. But if I really want to do that, I use VS Code app to apply some cool filters from VS Code app. Next thing you can add is text. If you want, for example, to add any text that you want your audience to see, for example, hello, you have different type of text. By choosing this A option, you can find different type of fonts. You can change the color, you can make the outline text, shadow text, and things like that. That's really up to you. And here you can choose the length of your text and when exactly this text needs to pop up. Keep in mind that the preview of IGTV is shown just a part of it, and once people click to see full IGTV, they can only after this see the full frame of this video. So therefore, I highly recommend you to keep that in mind and place the text, important text, somewhere in the middle. Not in the bottom, not in the top, but somewhere in the middle. You can also add some stickers. InShot offers you a bunch of stickers. You can import some stickers on your own using PNG format of the stickers, or some images if you want to insert into it. This is really upon your imagination and what exactly is needed for this video. Once you're happy with the results, you go ahead and save it into your camera roll. If you like this video so far, make sure to smash this like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet, and hit the notification bell button to not miss any of my videos. The next thing that I want to talk with you is using the subtitles of the video. Most of the people consuming content on Instagram have their phone on mute. Therefore, they are not able to listen and hear what exactly you're saying. If you're using talking heads and really want to bring the message to an audience, I highly recommend you to use the captions or subtitles right on the video, so people can still watch it on mute and understand what the video is about. For these, there are different options. For example, one of the platforms where you can transcribe your video into captions using Rev platform. With this service, your video is going to be transcribed by a human being, so the precision of the content is really high. However, from my point of view, it's quite costly. I recommend you to use some apps that are absolutely for free. One of these is pre-built app for iPhone. I don't know if you guys have, if you use Android, if you have this pre-built app that is absolutely for free, and it calls Clips. Let me show you how the Clips app is working. All right, here is the video. The first thing I'm going to choose is this bubble text option, and here I can choose different types of subtitles that it offers me. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then I start to record the video. Hello there, if you're not following my channel yet, make sure to subscribe. Let's play it. You see, it works quite cool and quite precise. So I would really recommend you to use this app because it's absolutely for free. The other app that I think is a little bit more powerful is Clip-O-Matic, and Clip-O-Matic is not a free app, you need to pay, but it's only one-time purchase and it's totally worth its money. Let me show you how it works. We go to Clip-O-Matic, and then again in the text bar you can choose different types of subtitles that it offers. For example, let's choose this one. If you have other language than English, you can use this option and choose the language in which you make your video. All right, and let's begin with and record the video, check how it works. Hello there. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe. All right, here you go, and now let's check what we have. And you can save the video to your camera roll, you can adjust the text if the app didn't transcribe your speech correctly. You can of course edit it, but from my experience it works quite precisely. I would say 99% that it's transcribed is quite precise. The other thing that I want to share with you is uploading IGTV onto your Instagram. There are two options. You can do it via phone or via desktop. I have shown in one of my videos, you can see it right here, how to upload IGTV right from your desktop. This is very useful, especially when the video is super heavy and you don't want to store it on your phone. And it is useful especially when you edit your videos using the desktop programs such as Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere. The next thing that I want to share with you is inserting links into your IGTV. There are several options to place clickable links onto Instagram content. The first is your bio description. It's allowed for everyone. The second is if you reach 10,000 followers, then you have this option to attach the link into your Instagram stories. And the third option is to link your IGTV to a specific content where you want people who see your IGTV to drive to. It can be your website, it can be anything that is related to IGTV. So let me show you how to do that. I'm gonna use this video. We go ahead and choose the video, go next, title, we fill up the title, and in this description box you can copy and paste any of your links and it's going to be a clickable link. All right, and the last part of this video, I just came up with some ideas that your business can utilize in order to produce really cool content for IGTV. One of the ideas that I came up with is doing an interview. Interviews are highly consumable content by people, so make sure to ask if you're a brand and you produce products, let's say beauty products, you can review one of your customers, make a customer testimonial, ask the customer how it was the experience of using your products. This is totally an amazing type of content that I guarantee will bring you a lot of new customers, because people really like to listen to the real cases and real people who have consumed your products already. The next type can be asking one of your loyal customers to review your new products or new collection, anything that comes to your mind, anything that is connected with your production, with your products. The next highly consumable content is tutorials. For example, if you don't produce anything, but however you have online course, you are doing coaching, tutorials can be a great solution for your audience in order to present yourself, present your expertise in the niche you are in. Office tours as well as behind the scenes is also another type of content that will be very interesting for your audience and for your customers. The market is very competitive, so people don't really like to consume just a product, but rather they like to consume the product that has a story. So show your story, show how you work, show your office, show how you make a photo shooting of your products. Really show behind the scene, share your story. What is the story behind your brand? And make sure to come up with the series that you're going to constantly produce from week to week. Say it's going to be one IGTV, a review of your loyal customer, one IGTV per week, you sharing your behind the scenes. And believe me, you're gonna rock on Instagram, because not so many brands yet doing this, and they still didn't really get that IGTV is a really huge and powerful feature on Instagram in order to bring more valuable content. And let me share it again. I was making a video about YouTube and about my experience on YouTube for about a year. I have shared there that the connection that you can make with your audience via the video is so much more valuable powerful than the connection that you can create just with the image. It's actually not even possible to create this connection via image. Make sure to utilize IGTV on a weekly basis and let it be one of the main strategies on this platform. That was it for today. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to write them below. If there is any topic you want me to cover in my future videos, make sure to mention it as well in the comment section, because I create content based on your requests.